All right, I'm here at the chiropractor. I'm running a little behind. My appointment was at 10:15, but as you can see, it's kind of a day. It's not too, well, I'm not gonna say it's not too pretty out here. It's a little snowy in Columbus today. It's Thursday, February 18th, but we are walking into Atone as we speak. Hey, good morning. What's up, YouTube fam? I am super excited because yesterday I had my first chiropractic adjustment done on my back, okay? My fiance was luckily there because I was actually the one who really helped me make this decision so I can begin getting work done for my back, okay? And so I'm using Atone Chiropractic. It is a Christian-based chiropractic office that focuses on the nervous system and the effects of the nervous system on your spine and any injuries and things that you may have in that area. So I actually had my first session yesterday. I meant to vlog it, but we're starting today, which will be my second session. And I'm going to get some footage when I'm at the office with Dr. Joseph Benny. See you guys soon.
I always like to ask, did you notice anything different after your first adjustment? Sometimes people notice soreness, sometimes people notice they were more rested at night or better.
No, I mean, I feel like I slept pretty good, so maybe more rested, but
That's cool. It's not usually a big big response right away. Sometimes people have like, I didn't have a single migraine after the first adjustment or whatever. People have like daily migraine.
daily migraines, wow.
Yep. Get used to the pain. These are like some running shoes. Do you do a lot of running?
Yes, I bought them for that very reason. I think maybe last spring.
Okay. You run like distance or just for?
No, just like running trails and stuff.
That's cool.
When it starts to warm up, I like to get outside and do a lot of exercise outside
Yeah.
as opposed to being indoors.
That's awesome.
I try to stay fit though. I try.
Well, it seems like you're doing pretty good.
Thank you.
This is a drop table. This is just when we work.
What's up, guys? Today is my 12th session here at Atone Chiropractic. They will be doing a progress scan as well as getting me a progress plan together to see if everything is helping my lower back, see if it's been working out for me. And so I'm going to show you guys what that looks like when I get indoors. But time is going by fast. I feel like I've been seeing progress with my back. And so we'll see what they say. Hopefully we get good news. Keep me in your prayers if you're watching this. I mean, it'll already be past by the time y'all see it, but keep me in your prayers. We'll see what happens. It's gown time. I have to put this gown on and get scans done. So I'll take off everything from the top up, put this on, and then get my spine scanned. So that's what I'm about to do right now.
You have a desk at home that you work out a lot?
Yes.
Yeah, so like having your walk, let's get that chair. Definitely be a beneficial use.
Yeah, because sometimes I can only sit in it for a certain amount of time, and I'm like, I kind of like get up and move around.
Yeah.
So maybe that'll help or something.
Yeah, basically what it does, it just keeps your muscles active. Rather than like when people sit on a hard surface, they typically like slouch their low back, and that's what causes muscle instability and weakness in their core. But if you get a surface, like even if you sit on a ball, like an exercise ball, that's going to keep your core muscles engaged more. Your little muscles that attach from one spinous to the next. We're not talking about like your broad traps or your quadratus lumborum, which is a muscle that goes around your entire low back. Talking about like the little muscles that attach from one bone to the next, to the next, to the next. Those muscles get stabilized when you sit on a wall with this.
Okay. All right, good morning, folks. I am coming towards the end of my chiropractic first sessions plan. So I'll be going through about 24 adjustments. Today I'm going to be getting adjusted, but then I'm also going to be getting scans, and we will go over my scans tomorrow to see my progress, to see how things have changed when it comes to my back and my spinal cord and my nervous system and things of that nature. So I'm walking in now. I'll let you know how it goes.
time to get changed.
Your children to all be in a place where they feel comfortable, and that's wonderful.
Yeah, it's been a blessing. It was funny because when I first told her, when we were first dating, I'm like, you know, I'm never leaving my church. I'll never do this. I'm probably not going to do this. And in 6 months, my mind was totally changed on me.
Really? That's so wonderful.
It's just, I thought it's just proof of God's power, you know, and what He can deliver you from, the mindset you had, some of the things you were doing.
What a wonderful testimony for you and your family.
Yes.
Now, is your family saved?
My family is not saved.
Not yet.
Not yet. Not yet. That's my prayer. That's my hope.
Are they local to here?
Yes.
Well, that's good.
I don't know, I'm just like, if y'all can just see my life, you don't have to listen to my words, just watch the way I live my life, how I treat people, and that may spark a desire for you to want to get saved.
Well, I'm really excited for your new family, and
thank you.
You guys have like a place set up to where you're gonna live and all that.
So
fun
we're still
stuff.
trying to figure that out, whether we think we want to do a townhome option.
Okay.
T6. We like the idea of moving forth with the house.
Okay.
But you know, it's just
The market right now isn't
yeah, and stuff up in the air. We're just like trying to figure a lot of stuff out, but
yeah,
it's all coming together. We haven't had to struggle. God's been providing people, resources, blessings, opportunities.
What's up, Nick? How you doing? You're looking fresh today. Thank you. New shoes? Yes, I need them. My A6 and Nike. Thank you. These are very cool. What kind are these? These are just Adidas. Got them from Dick's. They're just some running shoes. I like them a lot. They're comfortable too. These are Adidas? We're doing a community event at the church, giving away stuff to the community. We're going to give away a lot of my old athletic stuff, so I'm like, I might as well just get some new. Get some for yourself? Yeah. Give away your own one. Yep. I do that a lot. I bought a lot of shoes. I was going to go to a shoe store. That's what you told me. And you were real familiar with how long certain shoes were supposed to be, you know. Yeah. How many rounds you could do. Yeah. But I'm working on it. I'm also getting all of your shoes. And you too. I had like, when Nike Boost first came out, that was when I was working in a store, and it came out. Did a demo for us on the Cleveland store. And we tried, I'll show you the $5, $10. $10, yeah, Nike Boost. The first version of them. Flip on over. Well wishes. After working there, I have probably 10 or 12 shoes then. Absolutely. I never really wore that often. I wore it like once or twice a month, if that. Thank you. We're talking about wedding planning. Oh yeah. Good old wedding planning. Yeah, but then it's over. That's the cool thing about all the stuff that goes into wedding planning is you do all the stuff, you have a great day, and then it's over, and then you just get to remember the good part and not really so much the planning. Right. So. I'm super excited and anxious. I'm ready for the day. I feel like I'm going to be super nervous. Yeah, probably. Until I do. Yeah, usually, I guess should make one mistake. You guys want kids in the next 5 years? Yes. So I kind of wanted them sooner than she did, but I think waiting a few years would be best. Yeah. You guys can learn how to live with each other and establish yourselves as a couple, like a married couple. Yeah. That's what we did. Work out the kinks. Work out the kinks. What kinks? suggest I'm like priority number one, like we're having to get married and try to change your name. We've heard that it's kind of a tough process right now with all the. I can imagine.
All right. So this is my result today. Lady Jameson's with me.
Hello.
Soon to be. Basically what this result day shows is whether or not there has been the proper changes or any changes at all over my last 24 visits. Okay, what we want to see is changes in how my body is responding and changes as far as where inflammation and stuff is. So we're going to get the results. I'll show you guys what those results are and we'll see what happens.
I want to see if your neck temperature is back.
She wants to see if my neck curvature is back. Bless her heart. She took it away from me.
Stop.
So these women are due to you, y'all. But we're going in. So we'll be back in just a second.
And that your body's headed in the right direction.
So we want that in the middle.